Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 10, Vibhuti Yogam. Test 30. Prahlad chasmi daityana Kalaha kalayatamaham Mrugamnam cha mrugendroham Vainateyasya pakshinam. I am Prahlada amongst the demons. Amongst all that controls, I am the time. Know me to be the lion amongst animals and Garuda amongst the birds. दैत्यों में मैं प्रहलाद हूँ और दमन करताओं में मैं काल हूँ. पशुओं में मैं मुझे सिंह मानो और पक्षियों में मुझे गरुड़ जानो. దైత్యులలో నేను ప్రహ్లాదుడును, అన్నింటినీ నియంత్రించే వాటిలో నేను కాలమును, నేనే మృగములలో సింహమును మరియు పక్షులలో గరత్మంతుడును అని తెలుసుకొనుము. ప్రాక్టికల్ అప్లికేషన్స్. Bhagavan says Dati and Aditi are two sisters and wives of Kashyapa Muni. The Aditi is a spiritual lady and a great devotee, and the born sons were great sages and the devotees of Lord, whereas the Diti is a sensual desire lady, and the born sons were great demons and atheists like Hiranyakashipa, Kamsa and Ravana. The Prahlada is a Lord Narayana, the great devotee born to kill the great demon Hiranyakashipa. People say we are passing the time. In fact, the time will pass them. Lord Krishna says, I am the time which kills everyone in the material universes. Among the animals, I am the deadliest and ferocious animal lion. Among the millions of birds, I am the Garuda, the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. All important things and positions represents Lord Krishna. Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.